and we're going to be working with the students this year about neuroplasticity. And these are neurons, and the space in between the neurons are called synapses. And in order to learn a new skill and to have mastered it, you need the whole neural pathway. So students try to learn something new, maybe a new math problem or something in sports, and they try once and they think that if they don't get it the first time, then they won't be able to. But that's not the case. They need to try over and over again and try it again. And they might get so far and get stuck. And if it's like a math problem or something in school, they can go to a teacher and ask for help. Or if it's something in sports, then they can go to their coach and ask for help. And eventually, if they keep trying over and over again, they can complete this full neural pathway and have mastered the skill.
In the mindset class, I learned about neuroplasticity, and that means that the brain is not fixed and you can do anything that you put your mind to. You just have to practice and you can get it.
Neuroplasticity is the theory that your brain isn't fixed, that flaws in it, they can be fixed with enough hard work and enough positive attitude. And it's important for students who, they're not what you would call academic, and they can fix that. If they knew that they could fix that, it would maybe make it easier for them to fix it, and it would make them want to go out and do better academically. If you're thinking positive, most likely you're going to want to do positive things versus thinking negative and doing negative things. And if you rewire your brain to think positive, you'll do more positive things and you'll get more done versus being pessimistic and not doing anything and thinking that you can't achieve anything.
The neuroplasticity is the ability to change your brain, and this is the diagram that we use in class. So this is the synapse, and you're going to need this to build your whole neural pathway to reach a new skill. These are neurons, and they build the neural pathway, like I said. But when new info gets sent into the brain, then you make it to the first synapse when you try it. People think that when they first try something and they're not good at it, then they just can't do it and they just stop right there. But what you actually need to do is you need to keep trying until eventually you get right here. And then you try again, and then sometimes you get stuck, so you ask the teacher or coach for help. And when they help you that time, you go home and try it again, then eventually you're able to build the whole neural pathway and you can reach a new skill.